All right, and we're moving on to probability, and so this is if you have a chance of something happening, but you're not certain. And so you think about the weather. They always talk about the weather. The probability of it being sunny out tomorrow is like for 70% and whatever. So we're going to go through it. And first of all, let's look at the vocabulary and probability. And that is the chance that some event will happen. So it's the chance that something will happen. A simple event is one outcome or a collection of outcomes. So a simple event is like if I want to spin a dice, drop a dice, and I want to get a 5, what are the chances? 1 out of 6 to get a 5. And what is the outcome? The outcome is the answer, so it's 1 out of 6. A complementary event, that's a little bit difficult, not too much, but it's either that one thing or the other will happen, but not together. And random is if everything is likely to happen and it's equal. So we'll go through this again because it's quite tricky. Thank you.